Hello, welcome back. So, I really wasn't sure if I was going to be making a video today at all because I honestly wasn't sure what to do. I had a couple ideas, but today's just been kind of a lot, honestly. But I did get a new package. I ordered this I ordered it a while ago. It was actually a pre-order, but it finally shipped like a few weeks ago, and I wasn't expecting it to get here today, but it got here today, so I figured, why not? I'm just gonna make this video. But so, what it is a Jinx cosplay from UWOWO Cosplay. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's UWOWO. I'll leave the link to the website. They have a lot of different cosplays on their website. This one really caught my eye because it was like an alternate version of Jinx's outfit, and yeah, I wanted to basically unbox it, unbag it, whatever, today and show it to you. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna be putting on and showing to you because it is a little bit sexy and like revealing, but I'm gonna at least show you all the little pieces and show you how it is and talk about the quality and everything. And yeah, this is my first time ordering from them, so I'm excited to see how it goes. But I got the full set. I will throw in a picture of what it looks like. It comes in like 2 parts, and you can order either one or the other or both, I guess. But there's the main outfit, and then they also have boots that they made with it, and so I got both because why not? Might as well go for the whole thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna open it and show you. Okay, so I already ripped the bag open, but the first thing in here you could see is the boots. So they're actually long boots. They're kind of squished right now, so you can't really tell. But yeah, let me open this up. I'm excited! Oh my god. Wow, these are some boots. They're kind of like pirate boots. They look a little bit like pirate boots. But they have these buckles on the side, and they tie in the front, but they also have a zipper, which I really like. And yeah, they have this kind of little fake metal bit in the front. This is just like plastic, but to give the boots that Jinx look. And yeah, let me get the other one out of here. Yeah, and they're the same, but this is cool. I like this. I'm excited to try these on. And yeah, and here is the main piece, or pieces, I guess. Little card, little thank you card. But wowee, this is a fat bag. So there's their little logo and stuff. Yeah. Okay, I do like actually that these bags are the little zipper bags, which is really cool because I usually keep these and reuse them. So yeah, so that's awesome. Alright, what do we got here? So these look like these are the little accessories. There's quite a lot of them. Let's see, what is this? Ah, these look like the glove parts. Oh gosh, this is... These are little ribbons. Honestly, I'm gonna have to look at the picture again because I can't remember how all this goes, but some ribbons here. This is... Oh, that's a sock. Okay, that's a sock. Cool. This is... oh, gloves. Oh, these are cute. I like these. Alright. And let's see, what is... Oh, this is cool. Okay. These are her tattoos. These are temporary tattoos. This is really, really cool. Super useful, honestly, because drawing them on takes so long. I'm obviously not gonna put these on today because I don't want to waste them, but I love this. Love this. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh wowee. This is... It's got a clip on it. Is this for her head? Oh, I need to look at the picture. But okay, there's this veil thing with a clip at the top. So that's cool. Alright. Ooh. This is the main piece. Okay. Oh geez. Oh, okay. No, this is multiple pieces. There's so many pieces. Okay. This looks like it's the top. Oh gosh. I'm having trouble figuring this out. Oh my god. Is it like this? Oh geez. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at the picture to figure this out. These look like they're the panties. Ooh. Cute. I believe this goes on the thigh, and so it's mostly like a stiff material, and then it's got like a stretchy bit in the back. So that's cool. I do think this is probably gonna be big on me because I'm a tiny person and everything is always too big on me. Oh, and another one of these. Yeah, so 2 of these. Okay, cool. Cool. This is her little shoulder puff thingies. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, cool. And so this is a really nice, like, soft kind of stretchy material. There is like a little bit of boning here, which is cool. Gives it that like structure. And there's just like buttons in the back. Cool. So yeah, this goes on your shoulders like this. Okay. And oh my gosh, so many accessories. These are all the like various belts, and oh my god, there's so much. Yeah, I'm probably gonna just keep all of this in this bag. But yeah, all the belts and straps and garters and all that stuff. Wowee, there's a lot. Oh man. Alright, let me try to figure out how to put some of this on at least, and I will show you what I can show you. Okay, so I figured out what the little ribbons are for. They're for the top to lace it up in the back. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing all that right now, but I'm putting it on. So far it all fits. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it to you because it's all very revealing, but yeah. Okay, so I have like most of the pieces on, I guess. There's still some that I'm honestly not entirely sure where they go, and there's a bit of like, you gotta like figure out where stuff goes. It's a little confusing, but like, yeah. So here's the gloves. I actually really like the gloves. As usual, there's some stuff that's a little big on me that I have to fix. Freaking sucks, but that's kind of how it goes with shopping for tiny people like me. So these, like I figured, actually don't fit. They're too big, so I'm gonna have to take this in to fit me. I'm gonna have to tailor it. But yeah, and then same with the gloves. Like, they're fine up until I get to here, and then this is like too big up here, so I'm gonna have to take that in as well. So when I was putting the top on, I was a little bit not sure how to put it on, so like I you know, just put it on over my head, and I actually did notice that a little part of it ripped here, so now I have to fix that, and that's not great. But yeah, sorry, boobs in the camera, but yeah. So here's a little bit of how it looks. I'm trying not to show everything on YouTube here. But yeah, there's definitely some bits that I'm gonna have to like fix and tailor and stuff. But overall, this is still really cool, and I'm excited that I got this. Yeah, the only thing I will say is there's a lot of these like shiny plasticky parts, which it's kind of hot in them. So that's not great, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. I wasn't expecting it to be like all breathable material, you know. So yeah, but normally I really hate stuff like this, but I feel like this just goes with the look, so I'm not mad about it. And I did throw on their shoes here, and oh, they're so cute. I think I'm gonna get out of this and show you the boots separately, but yeah. Here's the main outfit. It's so cute. Okay, so here are the boots. They're actually pretty comfy. Like I'm pretty satisfied with them. And here's one of the little socks that came with the set. They're actually really nice and comfy, really stretchy too. They fit well. And 2 of the leg bands that it came with, and those actually fit well too. But I do have to, I'm actually not using the last hole, but I'm using the second to last hole on it. But I'm actually surprised that this fits, but the other leg bands don't fit. These don't fit, so it's kind of weird how that's made, but whatever. And you know, the little veil, you can see how that looks. It's pretty cute. Here's the boots. they're actually, like I said, really comfy. Like, I can see myself wearing these for like a little bit, you know? Yeah. I also really like that, okay, let me sit down. I like that a lot of this is kind of separate. So if I wanted to, I can even wear this with either like other looks or other cosplays, or just like mix and match it with stuff. So that's cool. The only thing is, so like I said, the top, this little bit ripped here, and I kind of honestly wish that these were two separate pieces also, because it's kind of a hassle getting into this. And the other thing is that I kind of wish this was also breathable, because I spent like 5 minutes in this and I was already all sweaty around here. So yeah, but otherwise this is really, really cute, and I'm pretty happy with it. Love these boots. They're so cute. And I am a size 36 for anyone who cares. And so there's also these armbands, so I tried putting one on. Here's another one. It comes with 2 of them, and this is also not on the last hole. I do need to make it tighter because it's still kind of loose on me, but then this becomes too long, so I either need to cut this or have like something to hold it down here. So that's kind of another thing that I need to work on a little bit, but it's cute. I kind of like how everything matches my hair right now. But this is actually surprisingly quite comfy. The only thing is that it's a little bit scratchy on the inside. I'm not a huge fan of that. I wish there was like another piece of fabric in here that was like a barrier between this like scratchy tulle part of it, because it is a little bit uncomfortable, and I can see how it could be annoying to other people, but it's not like the worst, I guess. But yeah, I might, if it annoys me too much, I might put in my own little piece of fabric in there to make that separation. But yeah, this is a little bit scratchy. I don't like love that. But yeah, and so the last thing I guess is these little accessories. There's quite a bit of them, and I'm looking at the picture, and it's honestly a little bit hard to figure out how everything goes together and piecing it together. And these aren't even really shown on there, because like there's rings here, and I'll take it out of the bags and show you. And then there's these like hair clips, and these are like super funky. I've never seen anything like this. So it has like a tie on it, and then like it opens up also. So yeah, I guess this is for her pigtails. So this is cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mess around with that. Not really sure what this is, but okay, that's cool. Alright. Yeah. And more accessories, and more accessories, and more rings. There's so many rings. Little ear cuffs. I think it's almost like a little bit too much with the accessories. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be using all this, especially there's so many rings. Like, damn. I mean, I think it's really cool that they give you that option and they give you all this stuff, and it's definitely worth the money. But it's almost like a little bit overboard. But it's cool. I appreciate it, that's for sure. So it came with 8 different rings, which is really cool. They're all really fun and unique and quite sturdy. I didn't like that they were all individually wrapped. That was kind of unnecessary, but whatever, it is what it is. But so here is all the little rings. Here's a little close-up of the rings for you. Yeah, they're all really cool and different and unique, so I love that. So they are not all the same size. Some are a little bit bigger, some are smaller, so they don't all fit me perfectly, but this is still so cool. I love this. Look at them. Wow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I showed you as much as I could have. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm super excited to actually get it all together, figure out how it all goes, and you know, fix all the bits that are all the parts that are too big on me and everything, put it all together, get the wig on, and have like a fun photo shoot in it. I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be really cool. But yeah, so this was my first time, like I said, buying from this site, and so far so good. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Like I said, there was a couple of things that were like, you know, too big or like too sweaty or whatever, but that's kind of, I don't know, to be expected, you know. I feel like it's very hard when you get stuff online or anywhere really, unless you make it yourself, to make it fit you perfectly. So it is what it is, but I still love it. I'm really really happy that I got it, and I'm so excited. This was a little short unboxing for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below what you think about all the little bits and just this cosplay, and would you buy it? Would you shop from them? Like I said, they have a bunch of other cool cosplays. Like, I would definitely get more. But yeah, if you're new here and you aren't subscribed, I have done some cosplays and I'm planning more. I'm working on an Arcane cosplay for Jinx, and just other cosplays in general, and I do art and makeup and fashion stuff and all that. So if you like any of that, you should subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching once again. Hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.